concept to completion, Aleph Group Incorporated is a worldwide medical vehicle manufacturer, creating the best products nationwide and globally, helping out hospitals and healthcare facilities in their mission to provide high-quality care for every patient. We design the best mobile medical, dental, X-ray clinics, Bloodmobiles, modular hospitals, mobile education centers, specialty vehicles, command centers, and more. And we do it with utmost precision and innovation, making a positive impact on the lives of others. Aleph Group Inc. is aware of what the future awaits. We want patients to have better access to medical care. To make our world healthier, we create convenience, safety, and comfort for everyone. Healthcare technology is changing in more ways than one, and we are a step ahead to help out for every community nationwide and globally. We dedicate ourselves into creating the best medical vehicles because we know our vehicles are safe, durable, and can be customized to your own needs. Our commitment to excellence drives us to continuously innovate. Once again, from concept to completion, we are Aleph Group Inc.